Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about pistachio, how they are grown and what are their health benefits. So fasten your seatbelt to the journey of pistachio tree. Growing pistachio trees requires some attention to detail, but it's quite manageable. Here's a step-by-step guide. Pistachio trees thrive in regions with long, hot summers and mild winters. They prefer well-drained soil with a pH between 7.0 and 8.0. Choose a pistachio variety suited to your climate and soil conditions. Popular varieties include Kerman, Peters, and Golden Hills. Pistachio trees are typically propagated from grafted rootstocks rather than seeds to ensure consistent quality and productivity. Pistachio trees typically begin producing nuts after about 5 to 7 years, with full production reached by 15 years. Harvest the nuts in late summer or early fall when the hulls split open and the shells begin to turn slightly brown. Pistachios offer numerous health benefits. They are packed with nutrients like protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins such as vitamin B6, thiamine, and vitamin E, and minerals such as copper, phosphorus, and manganese. Pistachios may help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels while increasing good HDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Their high antioxidant content also contributes to heart health. Despite being calorie-dense, pistachios can aid in weight management. Their combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats helps promote satiety and reduce overall calorie intake. Pistachios have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes them suitable for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage blood sugar levels. They contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. The fiber content in pistachios promotes digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Pistachios are rich in antioxidants, including carotenoids, phenolic compounds, and vitamin E, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. The vitamins and minerals in pistachios, particularly vitamin E, contribute to healthy skin by promoting cell repair and protecting against UV damage. Some studies suggest that pistachios may have anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation. Pistachios contain nutrients like vitamin B6 and essential fats that support brain function and may help improve cognitive function. Incorporating pistachios into a balanced diet can provide these health benefits and contribute to overall well-being.